can see you. Hi, Meher.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, Ruchi. Hi, Neelu.
how are you?
Hi. All yours,
Sorry,
Ruchi,
just
go
a
ahead.
sec. I'll just adjust myself. Yeah. Hi.
Welcome.
Hi, Ruchi. Hi, dear.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Ruchi. I just have this one issue. Whatever I eat, even if I'm careful, every now and then I get this heat. I have a very heaty body. The body heats up. I get acidity. I get a lot of burning, and then my headache starts and the vomiting and all that lasts for some 3-4 days. Takes away a
Whatever
huge.
you eat.
I don't even remember what triggers it, to be honest with you.
Okay, specific
I
foods.
try to be very careful, you know. There is no specific food. I have stopped eating my chilies and all that stuff. I'm
Are you
pretty
comfortable?
careful.
Are you comfortable closing your eyes? It just makes us focus more internally.
Yes, I'm very comfortable. In fact, I have a habit of doing it a lot.
Perfect. So just close your eyes
Okay.
and tell me, how does it make you feel when this happens, this discomfort on eating undesired foods? Is it that?
I sometimes, I don't know, I sometimes feel maybe I'm overeating, maybe I shouldn't eat, but I don't really overeat. I eat very less, to be honest, but I somehow feel guilty. There's a lot of guilt inside me, God knows for what.
Okay, so it makes you feel guilty when this happens, when you feel unwell after an episode of eating what you perhaps shouldn't have eaten. It makes you feel guilty?
Yes, it makes me feel guilty, and more so because when I have this issue, what happens is I'm not able to do the stuff that I need to. And I feel I'm losing a huge chunk of my life because of this, and I don't know why it is happening.
Okay, so what is it more? Is it confusing that this is happening? Or is it that...
It's a sadness kind of a feeling, why me kind of a feeling, you know, that in spite of taking so much care.
Right, so keep your eyes closed. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you when to open them. All right, so you feel a sadness. When this happens, you feel a sadness that in spite of taking so much care. Yeah.
Yes.
Is it a desperation or a sadness?
It's both. It's both. It's like...
What do you feel more, desperation or sadness?
I think sadness.
Sadness. All right, let's zero in on the feeling then, because the feeling is what's most important. We're going to feel it in our physical body, and through it, we're going to understand what it's trying to tell us. All right, so I want you to feel this sadness that you have just spoken about. Don't worry, you're safe in feeling it with me right now.
Yes.
So just allow yourself to feel it. I'm here. Just feel the sadness. The sadness has come because you have eaten something that has caused you distress in the physical body.
Because it does not allow me to go ahead and do the things I want to do in life.
Correct. So the sadness has come on because it has caused you distress in the physical body, and that distress then does not allow you to do the things that you want to do. Correct?
Yes.
All right. All right. So just connect with the sadness. Now, as you connect with the sadness, tell me, where in the physical body are you feeling it the most?
Currently on my stomach and my chest.
Where is it more, your stomach or your chest? Just honor the feeling and then allow you. Yeah.
Currently the chest and the throat, that area.
Right. All right. So just focus on it. Is it moving? Is it stabilized?
No, it's moving. It's moving up and down.
Up and down. Okay, just focus on it. Focus on where it is.
More on the throat right now.
Okay, focus on the throat then. Feel the sadness in the throat and tell me on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being horrible and 0 being not bad at all, where is it at?
It's at a 9.
That's pretty high. All right. Acknowledge
Yes.
that a 9.
Yes.
And then talk to it as if you're talking to a person now.
Yes.
Tell it, I see you.
I see you.
I feel you.
I feel you.
I recognize you.
I recognize you.
You can say it in your mind, no problem. I know you are here. I acknowledge you. But today I choose to believe that you are here for a reason. I choose to believe that you are here for my own growth and evolution. So tell me how or where in my life are you actually helping me? What are you pushing me to do that I'm not currently doing? An answer will come to you. Give it to me as it comes. Does anything come to you, Meher?
Maybe it says take out all your anger and throw it out.
Okay. All right. And enjoy your life.
Yes.
Wonderful. So talk to the sadness once again. Say, I understand what you're trying to tell me. I understand that you're telling me to release or let go of all the anger, digest perhaps all the anger that I'm feeling so that I can enjoy my life more, enjoy my food more. So thank you for teaching me this. Whenever you do come up again, I'll know what I have to do. At this point, Meher, we can go a little deeper. Neelu, do I have the time to go a little deeper? Because this needs inner child work.
Please go ahead.
All right. So can we go a little deeper, Meher?
Sure.
All right. So we've decided to go a little deeper. First, I want you to tell me, with this understanding of what you have to do, where is the sadness at now on that scale of 0 to 10? It was at a 9.
Maybe a 7.
Very good. That's great. It's come down. Acknowledge it. And you have learned that you need to deal with the anger so that you can enjoy your life. And that is the purpose of the sadness being here, correct?
Yes.
All right. So now allow your mind to open up to your memories, Meher.
Yes.
And as you open up into your memories, move into your awareness.
Yes.
And then tell me, when was the first time in your life that you did not allow yourself to be happy and that angered you? What comes to mind? First thoughts, first feelings, first impressions.
Okay. Probably when my son was 3 and he was thrown out of school.
Okay. So what is happening? Tell me.
The child was abused. We were not informed by the school. And he had become a very angry child from a very charming child, and none of us understood why.
Okay.
And there was nothing I could do. We were sent to a psychiatrist who was a friend of the principal and insisted on giving him an autism certificate, whereas there was nothing wrong with him.
Wow, that's huge. That's huge.
And all that triggered out a lot of stuff.
How old were you at this point?
I think 34.
34. Okay, I want you to get in touch with that 34-year-old Meher.
Yes.
What is she feeling?
Helpless, desperate, angry, but we were told we could have gone to the court, but I did not want my child to go through more hell. So we just left the school. And the journey for the next 15 years was pretty tough because
Sure.
we couldn't find out the issue, and one
Sure.
school to another, we kept roaming around.
Yeah. Yeah. So I want you to get in touch with this 34-year-old Meher.
Yeah.
And firstly, if you can see her in front of you, then look into her eyes and tell her, I love you. It's all right. I'm here for you. You are not alone. Give her a hug. She needs it. She's going through a really difficult time. Tell her, I'm with you in this. You're feeling all this anger because you know that what's happening is not accurate, is not the truth. Is that right?
Yes.
Great. So tell her what you did was that you walked away from the school, and that got you into a lot of trouble.
Yes, it changed my child from a very sweet child to a very angry child who
Right.
hated schools for the rest of his life.
Right. Tell her that this is an opportunity for you to understand the situation better and maybe move into a different reality as well. So if you could, would you handle the situation differently? Give her the strength. Tell her, I'm with you. Would you handle the situation differently?
Yes, yes.
What would you do? Ask her. What would you do?
I think I would not have wasted my energies getting angry on those people. I would have just probably taken my child earlier and walked out. I don't know.
Amazing. Tell her, give her a high five. Tell her, brilliant. So I want you to own yourself. I want you to understand that it's no point getting angry at people who don't deserve it. You'd rather focus that energy on your child, on the people that matter.
Yes.
Just believe in your son, believe in your child, believe in yourself, and enjoy the moment. Pull him out and do what needs to be done. It's their loss, not yours.
Yes.
Now the universe is going to send a balloon of light to you, Meher, and you're going to pass it on to that 34-year-old Meher. You're helping her right now. You're the mediator. Give it to her and let her blow out all her anger, every last bit into this balloon of light. Let it go. Let me know when you're done.
Yeah.
You can let it go, both of you together. The universe will know what to do with it. And then just hold your hands out as if you're receiving something. And the universe is going to send you a gift. Let me know what comes to you. It's going to drop in the palms of your hands. What has come?
It's very funny.
It's all right. What is it?
The word I get in my head is music. I don't know why.
Wonderful. It's talking about enjoying your life.
Yes.
So tell her this is just about enjoying your life, and then just allow her to integrate this music, whatever has come into her palms. Let her integrate it within herself. This 34-year-old who stopped enjoying her life.
Yes.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, both of you. As you integrate this wonderful lesson. Wonderful. Look into her eyes once again and tell her, I know who you are and I love you. You don't need to worry about anybody else. Go ahead and enjoy your life. How does she feel, Meher?
Relieved, happy, good to have a friend.
Excellent. Let her go about and live her life in the highest and best way now, enjoying every moment. And I want you to come back into your space in this divine now moment
Okay.
and tell me how your throat feels.
Throat is good. It's around 2 or 3 right now.
Wonderful. That's great. Again, speak to that sadness in your throat, whatever remaining is there. 2 and 3 is great. We can deal with it for now. We can live with it for now.
Yes.
And tell it whenever you come up, it's going to be a reminder to me to enjoy my life more. To
Yes.
focus on feeling good. I own my truth. I own my life. I trust this beautiful journey.
Yes.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you integrate this lesson, another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you allow this lesson to go into each and every cell of your physical body, your DNA across time and space. Another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you integrate this into the divine now moment. And then you can take a few moments to come back and open your eyes whenever you're ready.
Sorry.
Welcome
Thank
back,
you.
Meher.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
That
How
was
do you
so sweet
feel?
of you. Very nice. Very calm. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling. All the best to
Thanks.
you. Have fun.
Thank you. Thank
Go,
you.
go
Love
learn
to
the
join
piano.
your course.
Please do.
Yes, I must. Thanks.
Yeah, you should learn to do this for yourself and others. It's going to be wonderful and beneficial to
I think
you
so.
and
Yeah.
everybody's life you're going to touch.
Yes. Thank you.
All the best.
God bless. God
Thank you,
bless.
darling. Thank you.
Thank you, Meher.
So sweet. Yeah.